Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create nested folders in Google Drive using HubSpot's workflow automation. So let me show you an example. So this is a deal and you can see the Cloud Files widget right here. It has two tiles. If I click on the first tile, it takes me to a folder in Google Drive that is in this specific location under deals. And the second part is, if you check the property here, I can just copy this property, and if I open it, so this is something that you can share with your prospects or clients. So this basically is a data room with a file request. So your clients can click on this and they can upload file. So let's say okay, it's added. And if we go back to the Google Drive, and you see it automatically got added here. So that can save you a lot of time and like to and fro exchange of emails, sharing documents, and it's also automatically creating a structure in Google Drive to manage all the files. So let me show you how this is set. So if I create a new deal, so let's call it automation 002 create. So now we are in this deal, and there are two workflows that are going to run. The first workflow is this. The trigger is deal known, but this is something that it's completely up to you. Based on your process, you can edit or tweak this. So whenever new deal gets created, it's creating a folder in Google Drive. So these are the different Cloud Files actions available. So once you install Cloud Files in your HubSpot account, these actions would automatically show up. So just clicking on this, and so these are the different Cloud Files actions that we currently offer. So the first one that I have used here is to create a folder in the desired destination. In this case, it's Google Drive. You can find all these values. So just go to like deal or contact and just go to the Cloud Files widget. Click on this. Go to Cloud Files, and it will take you to the native Cloud Files app. Very similar interface. You can go to libraries and you can go to that specific destination where you want the folders to be auto created. So this is the root folder. I want all the deal folders to be created in here. And if you click on the metadata, so these are the values that you require. So if I go back to the workflow, it needs a shared drive ID, which is this, and then it needs a path to the destination, which is this, and then the folder name. I'm using a personalization token so that the deal name automatically gets assigned as a folder name. So whatever the deal name is, in this case automation 002, the workflow is going to create a folder named automation 002 in Google Drive. So this is the first action. In the second action, we are taking that folder and attaching it to the deal in HubSpot. Again, these values can be picked. In here, the path is going to be a little different. So this is the path, and we have to add deal name because this is the destination that we are creating here. And yeah, that's about it. If I go back to the deal and I refresh, okay, it's already here. So when you click on automation 002, it takes you to that specific folder in Google Drive. If I check the workflow, there's one more workflow that completed, and this is the file request demo workflow. So what this workflow is going to do, it's going to create a data room, and it is going to attach a file request in that data room. So it just created is known essentially the same. It basically, every time a new deal is created, it's going to get triggered. The first action is create a data room. The second action is create an attachment, which means once you have created a data room in Cloud Files, now you are attaching that data room to this specific deal in HubSpot. Then we have add to data room function. So in this particular action, we have added a file request in the data room, and we have defined a path to destination folder. So whatever is uploaded in this data room would automatically reach Google Drive in this particular folder. This is the same folder that we created using another workflow right now. In the next step, we are creating a sharing link for this attachment. It automatically picks these values from the previous actions, and you can create an attachment. And in the last step, we're taking that sharing link that we generated, and we are copying it in a particular URL in a particular property in HubSpot. So if I go back, so this is the property. So now from a sales rep's perspective, every time they create a deal, it automatically creates these two attachments. The first attachment takes you to the destination in Google Drive, and the second attachment takes you to the data room, which basically has a file request. So this is a file request. At any point, if you feel it should have another file request, or maybe it should have some other files that you would like to share with the prospect, that can be edited from here. Yeah, so that's about it. If I just copy this link, and you can just share this with your prospect. This is also optional. The email address, it's up to you if you want to keep the email address mandatory or not. Yeah, so if I just upload something here. It's done. And if I go to this folder, and almost immediate, it just got transferred. In this entire operation, the data is going to remain saved in Google Drive. It's not going to get transferred to Cloud Files or HubSpot at any point. And moreover, as far as data security is concerned, throughout the entire process, at all times, the data remains encrypted in transit and in rest. Thank you.